Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. Hope you liked that intro, and if you did, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. So this is the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 2022 edition. Asus has brought an upgrade to this laptop for 2022, and spoiler alert, it's an incredible one. Now the ROG lineup by Asus has always been very interesting because of the performance that it offers. ROG laptops give some of the best performance out there, and G14 is no exception to that. So first up, let's get the specifications out of the way. You can get up to an AMD Ryzen 9 CPU, the latest one, which is 6900HS. You also get the option of AMD Ryzen 7 6800HS. On the GPU side, you get a couple of options: the AMD Radeon RX 6800S or the AMD Radeon RX 6700S, both of which come with 8GB of memory, which is GDDR6. On the RAM side, you can get up to 32GB of DDR5 RAM, and on the storage side, you get a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD included. So yeah, performance wise, you are sorted. You get a very powerful CPU, a very good GPU along with it. The RAM is fast, the storage is fast, and that's why you get very good performance out of this laptop. In fact, if you buy this laptop for day-to-day usage, it will be way overkill. Like, trust me, very overkill. This laptop is meant for professionals. For example, interior designers and architects who use softwares like AutoCAD and Lumion, or video editors or gamers. For all these people, this laptop is very good because of the performance. Now, in my testing period, I use this laptop to edit some videos, edit some photos, upload my videos to YouTube, and for that work, it was extremely smooth. In fact, I also tried editing 4K videos in DaVinci Resolve, and the experience was really good on this laptop. I did not notice any hiccups whatsoever. If you talk about gaming performance, the gaming performance is also excellent with the ROG Zephyrus G14. Asus has also done a good job with the cooling of this laptop. When you're doing heavy stuff like editing 4K videos for a couple of hours or playing games for a couple of hours, then this laptop will get warm and the fans will kick in, but it will not heat up that much. The thermal performance is good for heavy load stuff. Now on the software side of things, you get Windows 11 pre-installed with this laptop. All in all, I would say in terms of performance, you are sorted with the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. This is an excellent one. Next up, let's talk about the display. This laptop comes with a 14-inch display. It's a 16:10 display, full HD resolution, comes with a 144Hz refresh rate, and is anti-glare as well. Honestly, I feel that the display is one of the most disappointing things with this laptop. Don't get me wrong, it is a good display, but it is not color accurate. I have tried a lot of laptops in recent times from Asus itself, and this display is just okayish. First up, because it is IPS LCD and not OLED. Asus has been leading the way in OLED displays, and this laptop should have had an OLED display. That would have been excellent. It's LCD, it's anti-glare, which I am not a fan of, and the color accuracy is not that good. So display is kind of disappointing with the Asus ROG G14. I think that it should have been better. So if someone from Asus is watching this, then please take this feedback that the display can use some improvement. Now, one really good thing with the display is the refresh rate. You get a 144Hz refresh rate, and it works extremely smooth on this laptop. Scrolling, swiping around, playing games, editing videos, everything is extremely smooth because of that 144Hz refresh rate. That works really well. Moving on, let's talk about the keyboard and trackpad. I love the keyboard of this laptop. The keys are clicky, they have a good amount of travel to them, and the entire typing experience is extremely good. I really like the keyboard on this laptop. Now the cherry on the cake over here is that it is a backlit keyboard, and you do get support for RGB as well. So basically it is an RGB backlit keyboard. If you talk about the trackpad does not disappoint as well. The tracking is extremely precise. So 2-finger gestures, 3-finger gestures, everything work properly, and I did not notice any issues with the trackpad. The trackpad is also very good. If we talk about IO ports, Asus has not cut corners over here. You do get a bunch of ports. First up, you get an HDMI 2.0 port. Then you get two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports. You also get a couple of USB Type C ports. One of them supports power delivery as well, and both of them support display output. Nice. You also get a micro SD card reader and the trusted headphone jack. The only thing missing, I would say, is an SD card slot. A lot of professionals still use SD cards, and that port is extremely useful. As far as connectivity goes, you get Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 out of the box. This gets me to battery life and charging. For normal day-to-day usage, this laptop would last me for around 6 to 8 hours, which is really good battery life. And for heavy stuff like editing 4K videos or playing games, it would last me for about 3 to 4 hours. So I would say that the battery life is really good with this laptop. I did not notice any major issues with battery whatsoever. You also get a 240 watt adapter inside the box itself, which will give you fast charging, and you should use this adapter when you're doing heavy stuff. So when you're doing heavy stuff like playing games for a couple of hours or editing videos or rendering something, then that's when you should use the adapter, because that will give you good performance as well, because it's a 240 watt adapter. Now, one of the best things with this laptop is how it looks. The design of G14 is excellent, especially in this white color. It stands out and looks awesome. Like whenever I use this laptop out in public, like in a cafe or something, there would be at least a couple of people who would come up to me and ask which laptop is this, because it looks so unique in this white color. I absolutely love the design language over here. Asus has done a good job with the design of this laptop. It does not look too gamer like and does not look too basic as well. I really like the design of this laptop. If you talk about the weight, it's 1.65 kilograms, which is very lightweight for such a high-end laptop. If you go to college, office or anywhere else, you can carry this laptop with you. This gets me to other little things. The speakers on this laptop are good. They produce clear sound and the volume levels are good as well. If you talk about the webcam, you get a 720p webcam, and the webcam is just okay. It will get the job done for online video calls, and that's about it. Now, I know you guys might be wondering, what about the price of this laptop? This laptop will cost you 1,52,000 rupees. It is not a cheap laptop by any means. It's an expensive one, and it does come with very good high-end performance for that price. If you have that kind of budget, then you can definitely consider the G14. It's an excellent one and it won't disappoint you. So anyway, that's been it. This was my review of the Asus Zephyrus G14. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.